guys, I welcome to my channel. Please subscribe us and hit the bell icon. Today's economic class 12 notes theory of consumer behavior. Utility. First point is utility. Utility of a commodity is its want satisfying capacity. The more the needs of a commodity are, the stronger the desire to have it. The greater is the utility derived from the commodity. Utility is subjective. Different individuals can get different level of utility from the same commodity. For example, some of one who likes biscuit will get much higher utility from a biscuit than someone who is not so fond of biscuit. Also, utility that one individual gets from the commodity can change in place and time. For example, utility from the use of fan will depend upon whether its individual is in cold place or hot place, whether it in summer or winter time. Second point is cardinal utility analysis. Cardinal utility analysis assumes that level of utility can be expressed in numbers. Measure of utility, total utility. First point, total utility of a fixed quantity of a commodity TU is the total satisfying derived from consuming the given amount of same commodity X. More of commodity X provides more satisfying to the consumer. TU depend on the quantity of a commodity consumed. Therefore, TUN refers to total utility derived from consuming an unit of a commodity X. Second point is marginal utility. Marginal utility is the change in total utility due to consumption of one additional unit of a commodity. For example, suppose 4 bananas give us 28 units of total utility and 5 banana give us 30 units of total utility. Clarify, consumption of the fifth banana has caused total utility to increase by 2 units. 30 units minus 28 units. Therefore, marginal utility of a fifth banana is 2 units. Formula is that mu5 equal to tu5 minus tu4 equal to 30 minus 28 equal to 2 units. In general form, mun equal to tun minus tun minus 1, where subscript n refers to the nth unit of the commodity. Total utility and marginal utility can also be related in the following ways. TUN equal to mu1 plus mu2 plus mu3 mu4 mu. This simple means that TU derived from consumption and n unit of bananas is the sum total of marginal utility of first banana. mu1 bracket marginal utility of second banana, mu2 and so on till the marginal utility of the ninth unit. Third point is budget set. It refers to attainable combination of a set of two goods which price of a goods and income of a consumer. Budget line, it is a line showing different possible combination of goods 1 and goods 2 which a consumer can buy given his budget and the price of a good 1 and good 2. Fourth point is monotonic preference. A consumer preference are monotonic if and only if between any two bundles. The consumer prefers the bundle which has more of at least one of the goods and no less of other goods as compared to other bundle. Fifth point is indifference curve. A curve which is a diagrammatic representation of an indifference set. It shows that different combinations of two commodities between which a consumer is indifferent. Each combination offers him the same level of satisfaction. Marginal rate of substitution. It refers to the rate which the consumer is willing to substitute goods X for goods Y, or it is refers to the number of units of goods Y which of the consumer is willing to sacrifice for an additional unit of good X. Representation is equal to change commodity Y upon change in commodity X. Note, the collection of indifference curve is called indifference map. Sixth point is properties of indifference curve. Indifference curves are negatively sloped. Indifference curves are convex to the point of origin. Indifferent curves touch or intersect each other. Indifference curve touches neither x or nor y axis. Conditional for consumer optimal. Budget line should be a tangent to the C point. Slope of ice indifference curve. Slope to the budget line is MRS equal to price ratio.